Right, here we go. All set for the first ball of the innings. Gets him first ball. Dream start for the fielding team. A gloomy walk back to the pavilion.
Batsman is all geared up to face his first ball.
Huge appeal, but not out given by the umpire. That's a huge appeal. Looks real close. And yes, they review it.
Checking for a no ball. Fair delivery, no problem. Impact in line. Pitching in line. You can stay with your decision. You'll be on screen now.
The bowler looks charged up and is bowling good lines.
Puts away. The batsman sees it early and plunges onto it quickly.
He looks in good batting form here.
He goes from top and in the gap as well. He's making the bowler look ordinary here. What's next? Definitely wasn't expecting that. Superb bowling.
Good field placements by the captain, and the bowler is responding well by bowling according to the field. Super delivery. Batsman got lucky there.
Spinner into the action from the other end. Batsman is all geared up to face his first ball. Bowler trying different things here. Ends up bowling wide.
Captain has placed a fielder at cover. Goes over the top and in the gap. Well played. When he hits it, it stays a hit. Crowd is enjoying every bit of this.
Good shot. Very clean that. Nice pickup shot.
Fantastic batting by the batsman.
Bowler trying different things here. Ends up bowling wide.
Bowler bowling from his preferred end. That's too wide. Has to bowl that one again.
Aggressive captaincy that. More fielders inside the circle. Played exquisitely. They are sprinting for first run. Can they get back for two? Running has been top class by both the batsmen.
Oh, well struck. That's going all the way for 6.
We are witnessing a cracker of a game here. Good to see the crowd getting involved. That's a wide. Has to bowl that one again. Oh, that's a very good shot. 4 runs. Can he get another one? Let's see. Vicious, really vicious, right at the target. Team can have more than 2 fielders outside. Running the first one hard, and it's only a 1. Batsmen are always looking for extra runs.
Superb running between the wickets by these batsmen. Teams are aware of how dangerous this player can be.
The batsmen are in a hurry and they comfortably run to here. Running has been top class by both the batsmen.
With the field spread, batsmen should be able to rotate the strike easily.
Goes big, high and long. That came from the middle of the bat. He's looking in good touch here. Here is that sign of aggression from the batsman. He knows how to play this. It's a sight to watch him bat.
The batsman sees that coming and gets into a good position. Got it off the meat of the bat.
Wonder where the next one's gonna fly. Bowler is reading the batsman here and restricting into his plans.
Spinner brought back from the other end. Captain has placed a fielder at cover.
That's a good shot ball. Nasty blow.
He's a very good player against spin. Well placed. Should get a couple of runs.
Running has been top class by both the batsmen.
Keeping wickets in hand for death overs would be vital for a good score.
Up and over. He has done this beautifully.
He looks in good batting form here. Pushed into the gap for a single. Huge appeal, but not out given by the umpire.
They are running hard, converting 1s into 2s and 2s into 3s.
missed that completely. That's beautifully bowled.
He would be disappointed with himself. That was in his slot. Batsman should be able to run to there. Running has been top class by both the batsmen.
Pace bowler back on.
That's a difficult field to bowl to. Bowler has to be very tight with his line and length. Very difficult to play those. It's an outstanding delivery.
The batsman is all set to face his first ball.
He goes from top and in the gap as well. He is making the bowler look ordinary here. What's next? Bang! That's a cracking stroke. Crowd senses a flurry of boundary here. They are making some serious noise. Oh, that's a very good shot. 4 runs.
Fantastic batting by the batsman. Well played into the gap. Can the batsman get 2 here? Superb running between the wickets by these batsmen. Magnificent striking from the batsman. End of the first innings. It won't be long for the openers to get ready and come back for the chase.